In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Wrike. Wrike is a popular project management tool known for its versatile features, and knowing how to create a calendar can help you significantly in organizing your projects and tasks more effectively. To get started, we first need to navigate to the Calendars section in Wrike. Open up your Wrike workspace and look for the Calendars option. This is usually found along your main navigation menu on the left side. Click on it to proceed. It's important to remember that access to certain features might depend on your Wrike subscription plan, so ensure that your account has calendar permissions. Next, we'll move to the More button within the Calendars tab. The More button is typically represented with 3 dots, or simply labeled More. Once you identify it, go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, providing you with several options related to calendar functionalities. From the drop-down menu, you should now click on Calendars. This might seem redundant, but this step ensures that we are in the correct section where we can manage and create different calendars. This option will help us structure our time and activities more effectively within the platform. After navigating to the Calendars section, it's time to specify that we want to create a new one. Click on the Create New button that stands out on the interface. This is the step where we begin to personalize our calendar experience to fit the specific needs of our project or team. Now, it's essential to give your new calendar a name. The name you choose should reflect the calendar's purpose or the project it will be associated with. This makes locating and managing multiple calendars more efficient and intuitive. Type your desired calendar name in the provided field. Upon naming your calendar, you'll then click on Create. This action will save and generate your new calendar within Wrike. Having your new calendar in place gives you a dedicated space to plan and track project milestones, team schedules, and any other relevant dates. The final step involves creating a layer within your new calendar. In Wrike, layers are used to visualize different data points or project tasks within the same calendar interface. Click on Create Layer to add your first layer, naming each layer according to task categories, project phases, or team functions can enhance your organizational clarity. And there you have it. You've successfully created a calendar in Wrike. With this calendar in place, managing your projects and deadlines should now be a more streamlined process. Feel free to explore additional features like sharing your calendar with team members or adding specific tasks to your calendar layers to maximize its utility. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.